for gracing us with your presence today. So we would firstly like to know from you that how did you like the event today?
I would first extend my sincere thanks to the whole group, and the event was wonderful. You have brought so many schools and so many teachers, so many principals under one roof, which is commendable. And I enjoyed my session as a panelist, and thanks to Rana sir.
Thank you so much. So since we were talking about technology and adopting it, if I have to ask you, what do you think, what all the tools should every school now adopt and to be updated with the technology?
I feel that whatever tools are available, a school should adopt everything, because as I said in my session also, that whatever is there right now is going to stay. And so we have to build up on that and give our students the best of everything and make them future. Because so many careers which exist today, they are not going to exist later. So we have to give them whatever is right now in our hand, because we don't know what's going to change tomorrow. So take on whatever we have right now and build on that and present.
Perfect.